Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix some of the settings are hidden or managed by your organization in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first step is here at the desktop screen, just have to do a right click, okay? And go with new and go with text document. So the moment you've typed it, double tap it, okay? And here you need to paste all of this, which I'll be pasting at the description box below. So no worries for that. Just have to paste it here, Control V, and click this file, which is beside edit, and scroll down and go with saved as. So here you need to select the desktop as your location, and let's change the file name into fix.bat. Okay, and then click this down arrow and change to all files and click on saved. So once you have saved that, there you would be able to see the file that we have just created. Okay, so just have to do a right click here and wait for the options to appear. Just have to go with run as administrator. So your user control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open the window. Here, once done, you just have to restart your computer, okay? Okay? And once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.